All right, last one. Section 5.3, example 6b. Again, I have a situation where I have a cosine and a sine. I can't replace either one, so I am going to square both sides. This side is just going to be plain old cosine squared. This side I have to FOIL, and I'm going to have sine squared x minus 2 sine of x plus 1. Again, I could change either of these, but I want to change this one because I have plain old sine to the first power. And so if I changed this one, then I'd still have this that I'd have to deal with. So I'm going to take this one and change it to 1 minus sine squared. And then I'm going to bring everything over here. So I end up with 2 sine squared. And then nicely those ones cancel out. So I only have 2 terms. They both have a 2 sine of x in common, so I can factor out 2 sine of x. And I'm left with sine of x minus 1. Again, I can use the zero product property and set this one equal to 0. And this one equal to 0. So here I have sine of x equals 0. Sine of x is equal to 0 at 0 and pi. And here I have the sine of x is equal to 1. Sine of x is equal to 1 at pi halves. So I need to check for extraneous solutions because I squared both sides. So if I go back to the top and I check 0, cosine of 0 is 1, sine of pi is 0, 1 does not equal negative 1, 0 is extraneous. Cosine of pi is negative 1, sine of pi is 0, 0 minus 1 is negative 1, pi works. Pi halves, cosine of pi halves is 0, sine of pi halves is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Those are your 2 solutions.